near and far, closer to.
Hey, what is up you guys, it's Gigi, and for today's video, it is all about the Valentine's Day. Joke, no bitterness at all. I am very, very happy, even if I'm single, because, you know, you don't need a man, you don't need anybody, you don't need to be happy. You can do it by yourself. And you need to be happy even though you're single, because Valentine's Day is not just for couples. It is also for us, because I want to help you guys out there who has jowa. I am going to make 10 Valentine's Day gift candy. It's very simple. All you need to do is to buy the lalagyanan. This is actually an accessory organizer, but then I kind of saw a lot of something like this on Tumblr and Pinterest, and it gave me the idea of making this. Oh, hi there. So yes, I am going to start by putting all of the ingredients here. Before we even start, I don't want to get judged and I don't want to be told that I'm nasty. I am going to put on gloves, but since I don't have any kitchen gloves or the gloves that you use to like prepare food, and then my family is composed of a lot of medical people, I am just going to use sterile gloves right here. And because I am chicadora, I am just going to put mask. Okay, so yes, let's just get started! You guys, oh my god, the battery is dying and I should stop. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day to all of you single ladies out there. Keep on fighting and you are loved, just know that. And thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please do make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in my next video.